Come. Whoa. Neighbors, hi. So excited right now. If I look like a just green from ear to ear, it's because one of the babies did something very special that we're going to share with you after, later in the vlog. But totally caught us by surprise this afternoon and glad. Anyway, if you saw the last video that we did, you would have noticed that we're trying on some glasses virtually. Tina got her, one of her, I call them thing here, on her glasses, this side broke. And so we just decided to change the glasses altogether because she's had it for some time now. And we tried to do the virtual try on. Never really worked out. To that. So she went in to Broadbent and got the official try-ons done. And these are the final 3 candidates for her new pair of glasses. Let me know which one you like or don't like. I have my favorite, but let me know. Take a look and let me know which one you like.
I think it's this story now. I think this one. Yes. Alright, the next one now.
Now my favorite is the black ones. I like, it's not too boring, it's not too playful. I think the fit is what I like the most about it. It's very neat on her face and I love that. But the decision is up to her. I don't know what her final decision was. It will be a surprise to me too. But whatever it is, I'm sure it will be great. I know this morning I was I took a short video this morning and I was saying, this would make an interesting encouragement for the day, and I'm going to share it with you. So Tina is going to get glasses, and I took this video of a view, right? And it looks very beautiful. But if I were to wear her prescribed glasses, her reading glasses, it would look something like this. You know why? Because for her, with her glasses on, it would look very nice and pristine, very clear, very wow. But for me, putting on something that's prescribed for her, because my eyes are okay, it would cause it to be blurry and unpleasant. It's just not for me. It ruins it because I'm trying to put on for somebody else what is not for me. What's the point I'm trying to make? Allow people to have what they have. Allow people to do what they do because it works for them. You know what you have, you know what you have to do. Let it work for you. Don't assume that if you were in somebody else's shoes, then things would be better or things would look better, life would be looking better for you. Don't assume that, because what you have, God has designed and it fits you perfectly. Don't try to put on and take up what don't belong to you. I hope that makes sense. So, new glasses coming in a week, and the day is over now. It's evening time now, work done and all that. So we're going to jump straight into the achievements of these two behind me. Hi Eden. Hi baby. Hi Ava. Hi baby. Ava, your nickname is Smiley. You are the original Smiley. Yes. Edie? How you doing today, guys? Eating your crackers? Okay, that's a very good response. How are you, Ava? Eating your crackers? You loving it? Ah, yes, tell them hi. Okay, cool. So, neighbors, one of these babies finally took their first steps. So what is interesting is that she took like not just one step. So I stood her up and asked her to come to me. She crawled to me and I helped her up, and then boom, she just take like 2 or 3 steps. I was like, what? So I wondered if she was taking the steps before I missed it, and then it's now like, hey, we just realized because it was so outstanding. I wonder if we missed her first step. Anyway, the point is, Eden took her first. I think one of the times she did like 3 or 4 steps, you know. And she was so happy, she was elated, jumping up and down. And I was trying to make her even this again. She was just jumping up and down. She couldn't even stand still because she knew that she did something amazing. And send some love, neighbors, to Eden. Big her up now, big her up. They're growing up so nicely. It's not a race. Every time will come. And we've learned that with twins that you can't compare. So I don't remember who did it first, Leila or Zahra, who said their word first, but just a matter of time, they pull each other along eventually. So Ava Day soon come. But today is Eden's Day. I will have to pause to celebrate. Come. Stand up. Be excited, you know that's an accomplishment. Stand up. Eden, just stand up.
Edie. Come, Edie. Come. Come here.
Come. Whoa. Very good. You know, say you're happy. You know you're doing something.
Edie is so happy.
You know you're doing something good, baby. Stand up.
Come on, Edie.
Stand up now.
Edie.
Stand up. Oh, alright. Do what you want to. Stand up now. Come, up. Stand up. Alright, come. So Eden, on behalf of me and my house neighborhood, we would like to congratulate you on your achievement. Okay? Hey, pay attention. And we'd like to present to you these crackers. Give it to me. We're presenting to you these crackers as a token of your achievement. Shake on it. Smile. Alright. Eat up. And Eva? Yes, baby, your day soon come. Say hi. Say hello, Daddy. So as I see, they're very good at standing. And she's still creeping, even though she has found this new talent. Eden, you're now walking, baby. Eva, come, baby, come. I wonder if you have it and you just never tell us. Come, Eva. Come to Papa. Come. Come. Get over here. Eva, come. You tell me bye-bye? No. Come. Alright. Edie, you're up. Stand up, baby. Stand up. Alright, Edie. Come. Come, Edie. Come. Whoa! Alright, let's try again. Round 2. As you can see, they've taken over the video and they are not having any of that. They're like, you know what, Daddy? I don't want to work for anybody today. Don't press the red button. But you know, eventually you'll see them in the... Oh crap! Wow, that was an uppercut ever. Eventually you see them in the vlogs walking up and down the place. But again, just very proud of Eden. Very proud of Eden. You know, everybody needs a spy though. Very proud of Eden, and I just happy that they're growing and developing in the way that they are. Thank God. So, not today. Alright, now there's another reason why I'm extremely happy today. That's because yesterday I went to the supermarket and guess what starts selling now? Easter bun. And I've been wondering, I have 2 questions. My first question is, why Easter bun don't sell all year round, like how it's such a great product, right? That's my first question. My second question is, this is my favorite brand. Yummy. I don't like too much of the raisin fruit things, too much of that in there. This to me has a perfect blend, the perfect amount of whatever, and I find it nice to have. What's your favorite brand? That was the second question. What's your favorite brand? You have a National, Whitfield, Maxfield, Easter Bun, HTB. Them not your favorite is and why. Purity, that's another one. But I used to have, my work normally orders bun at this time of the year, and I've had sorrel bun, and I've also had mango. I don't know if it's mango or apple, but it's a company that does sorrel bun, mango bun, peanut bun. And once I've taken the one that has everything, so mango, apple, peanut, sorrel, all that in there, and all it means that is the fruit stuff, the peanut would be integrated in there, the mango integrated, the sorrel integrated, so when you cut, you get in pieces of those little things. Beautiful. So, Easter bun time, and I'm going to be having it. I don't know how long, I don't know why them do it all year round, but I'm taking my first piece now. I know me with food, I always look out for myself. If I cook or anything, I have to make sure I get my piece, so sauce by myself now. Cheese, check. Bun, wow. Look at that nice bun, guys. Bun, check. Assembly, chick. But do you like eating just the bun and the cheese? Or do you like put butter in there? What is the way to eat bun and cheese? I don't know, but to me this is fine. And I'm going to cut the video right here, you know, while I'm taking my first bite, so cue the music. Neighbors, it's been good. Thank you for checking in with us. Hope you have some bun and cheese near you. And as usual, big up from Paul, Tina, Hannah, Leila, Zahra, Eden, and Ava. Walking Eden and Ava. So until next time, stay safe, love you, and take care. Be blessed from me and my house. Mm.